Welcome to FactGenie, the home of amazing tech facts and unbelievable discoveries. Sofia, the world's most talked about AI robot, has become a sensation across social media. She is the first robot in human history to receive official citizenship from a country, marking a revolutionary moment in robotics. Sofia's appearance is inspired by legendary British actress Audrey Hepburn, giving her a graceful and human-like presence. She was activated on April 19, 2015, the birth of one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. Her AI system is designed so intelligently that she can instantly pick the perfect words from her massive data library and form meaningful sentences. This entire process happens so fast that Sofia can hold natural, smooth, real-time conversations with anyone. The brilliant team behind Sofia is Hanson Robotics, a company that started building AI robots back in 2005. Their first creation was an AI robot modeled after Albert Einstein, known as Einstein Hubo. In 2006, they introduced Jules. And in 2007, they began developing the early concepts that eventually led to Sofia. These robots used advanced learning systems that help them adapt their behavior according to their surroundings. Dr. David Hanson, Sofia's creator, believes that a living robot can make choices just like humans, based on comfort, safety, and need. With time, these robots are becoming smarter, more aware, and more capable of understanding the world around them. The purpose behind creating Sofia and similar AI robots is to assist humans by making daily tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. This is the future of technology, where humans and AI walk side by side to shape tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to FactGenie and turn on the notification bell for more amazing tech facts.